How to dropship from Alibaba to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to use Alibaba as a source of product for your dropshipping platform or your dropshipping business model. Now, using Alibaba is a really great option for those who are trying to set up a dropshipping business due to the fact that Alibaba offers a really cheap amount of prices, or rather, the prices of each product are individually cheap, and you are able to order large quantities of those products. And over here in TikTok Shop, it's a great platform to get started with selling products due to the fact that you are able to actually promote your product through the TikTok app itself. You are able to create videos promoting your product, all those things, so you are able to get a lot of sales. And so to be able to connect these two platforms together, there is two main ways. The first main method is through TikTok Shop itself, through its app store over here on the left side. So simply select this, and we will be able to see the app store of our TikTok Shop. So if you look over here on the left side, there will be some different options over here of different platforms that you could connect to. Now, the different platforms available in the App Store is actually able to connect to multiple platforms like Alibaba. Although, you might be skeptical and would not want to use any of the apps available here because some are a bit confusing and there's a lot of requirements and you would need to have a third-party setup, which could be confusing for those who don't know how to use it. So what I would like to focus on though for today is the second method, which is through our Shopify. Shopify is a great platform to get started with connecting or integrating two different platforms together. Why? Because it has a lot of features that allows us to do just that. So over here in our Shopify store, simply click on apps over here on the center or on the left side. And after that, click on all recommended apps. In this section, simply scroll down a little bit and click on Shopify App Store. After doing that, you will see or you will be redirected to another page. Let's click on right next time over here, which will basically show us an expanded version of what we saw here, which is going to be the App Store in itself. Now, like I explained earlier, Shopify is a great platform for integrating different platforms. And what we want to do is we want to connect TikTok Shop and Alibaba together through our Shopify over here. So, we're individually going to connect our TikTok Shop with our Shopify, followed by Alibaba with Shopify. Let's do TikTok Shop first. Simply search TikTok on your search bar. After that, we will be able to view all the different apps in relation to our TikTok Shop. As you can see here, we have Quick Sync for TikTok Shop. Simply open this and you will be able to install this app just like this. And the feature, as you can see, the features involve inventory syncing, product syncing, order syncing, multi-location support, and import and export products, which are important features that would allow us to be able to import or export products from TikTok Shop to Shopify, or the most important one, from Shopify to TikTok Shop. I will explain later why that is important. So next, let's look for Alibaba. Now, we're going to be connecting Shopify and Alibaba together through other apps as well. So there are multiple apps over here that would allow us to connect with Alibaba. As you can see here, for example, we have Importify and we have GRS or GSR Dropshipping. This basically dropships products from AliExpress, Alibaba, Etsy, and Deezers for the Etsy or for the Importify over here. For the JSRD or GRS or GSR, it imports from AliExpress, Alibaba, and Deezers. So you could install this one, which is absolutely for free. So simply click on install. Do the same thing with the TikTok app that we showed you guys earlier. Installing an app into your Shopify store is very easy, as you can see. Simply click on install, and you will be able to install that specific app into your Shopify, which you can then now use. Now, let's wait for this to load before I continue. So we're going to first log into your GSR, and then you're going to log into over here. So you will be able to have your account easily in GSR. Then you could utilize that to get products from Alibaba into your Shopify. Using it is very simple. I'm not really going to show you that section right now because I don't have my account yet. But anyway, let me explain the logic that we are going to try, or we are trying to set up here. I have showed you the different apps that you would need to connect to your TikTok shop and Alibaba. And if you remember the description of those apps that I have discussed, we are able to get products from Alibaba and put it into our Shopify store. Basically, any product that we look for in Alibaba will be imported into our product list. Now, with the quick sync app that we showed you earlier with TikTok Shop, it will then connect with our Shopify. And if you remember, the description or the instruction of those apps means that you are able to export and import products from Shopify to TikTok Shop. Now, taking with that logic, basically, you will be able to get any products from Alibaba. Doesn't really matter which one you prefer or which one you select. You will be able to transfer it into our Shopify through the app. And the quick sync app will recognize any changes in your product list, or you could manually upload or manually transfer those products into your TikTok shop, of course. And after that, I think you will be able to find those products that you have imported inside of our manage product page over here under reviewing. When it comes to TikTok shop products, when you first upload or when you're going to add products, it's going to go under review. So that's what it will do or perform first before it will actually finally finish up with connecting to your, or finish up with being uploaded to your product list. So those are the different apps that you would utilize to be able to establish the connection and get those products from Alibaba to our TikTok shop. So aside from that, guys, if you have any other question, please leave a comment down below. But that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.